So we're going to continue on with these practice problems. We're going to be doing number 13. So again, pause the video, work on this problem, and after you're done, you can resume. So number 13, it says, Sis and Talbot made 104 portions of roasted potatoes. At 11:45, the roasted potatoes ran out, feeding 348 personnel. It was replaced with 52 portions of mashed potatoes. At the end of the meal, 5 portions of mashed potatoes were left, feeding a total of 458 personnel. What is the acceptability of the roast potatoes and what is the acceptability of the mashed potatoes? So again, just by reading the question, you know you're going to be doing the acceptability, so you have to figure out which method to use. In this case, you see you have roasted potatoes and mashed potatoes. So you have two different products you're going to be doing the acceptability on. So you know you're going to use your third method. So your third method is used when the menu item prepared runs out and is substituted with a different food item. So the formula for that would be your portions prepared over your first head count, so HC1, and then your other one is your portions prepared minus your leftovers divided by your second head count, so HC2, minus your first head count, HC1. So this first one's going to be your roasted potatoes. Your roasted, and then the second one's going to be your mashed potatoes. So again, it says Sis and Talbot made 104 portions of roasted potatoes. So it's 104. And then he ran out, feeding 348 personnel. So that's your first head count. So 348. And then it was replaced with 52 portions of mashed potatoes. So that would go here, 52. 52 minus. And then at the end of the meal, there were 5 portions left over, so minus 5 over. And then it says we're left feeding total of 458 personnel. So that's your second head count. 458 minus your first head count, which is 348. So after that, you're going to plug in all this stuff into your calculator. So 104 divided by 348. So that equals 0.29885. So again, we have to round it to the hundredths place, which is this two numbers after the decimal. So it's if it's 5 or above, we round up. If this third number is 4 or below, we leave it like that. But again, it's above 5, so we round it to 0.30. 0.30, and again, acceptability is always a percentage, so this ends up being 30%. So this next one, 5. So 52 minus the 5 left over is 47. So 47 divided by these two numbers. So you got 458 minus 348. So that equals 110. 1 1, 0. So 47 divided by 110 equals 0.43. The reason for that, again, where you do round to the hundredths place. So this third number is above 5, so we rounded it up. So again, acceptability is always a percentage, so this ends up being 43%. So when it comes to this third method of the acceptability problems, you're always going to have two different acceptabilities, so two different answers.